Do you often struggle with data management? This tutorial will clarify database management systems. Our goal is to understand DBMS and its benefits. First, let's look at what DBMS means. DBMS stands for Database Management System. It helps store, manage, and retrieve data. Think of it as a digital filing cabinet. Next, why did DBMS come into existence? Before DBMS, we used a file-based system. Files like student.txt and marks.txt were separate. This led to several issues for users. Data redundancy was a major problem. The same data appeared in multiple files. This wasted storage space and caused confusion. Data inconsistency was another challenge. For instance, marks could differ between files. Accessing data became cumbersome and time-consuming. Security issues arose because files lacked protection. Anyone could modify or delete important files. Also, the absence of proper backups was concerning. If the system crashed, data could be lost forever. Now let's discuss how DBMS solves these issues. DBMS stores data in a centralized database. It provides secure access and fast searching. Data relations improve and facilitate updates. It ensures automatic backups and multi-user access. For example, consider student and marks tables. These tables are linked through student ID. This connection enhances data integrity significantly. DBMS helps in organizing and securing data. It's vital for handling vast amounts of information. So, where is DBMS used in real life? It's used in ATM transactions and patient records. E-commerce platforms like Amazon rely on DBMS. Many online banking services utilize DBMS functionality. Let's review some popular DBMS examples. Relational DBMS includes MySQL and Oracle. NoSQL options like MongoDB also exist. Embedded DBMS like SQLite powers mobile apps. Cloud-based DBMS includes Firebase and DynamoDB. Companies use DBMS for better data handling. They ensure accuracy and high levels of security. Banks, for instance, need quick access to transactions. Without DBMS, managing data would be impossible. In conclusion, DBMS revolutionizes data management. It helps overcome many challenges of file-based systems. Now, I encourage you all to apply this knowledge. Understanding DBMS aids in making informed choices. For further exploration, stay tuned for part 2. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more informative content.